Hello friends, welcome to the English Story channel. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about tion. There are hundreds and thousands of words in English language which have tion in the end, and we usually read it shun, shn. This sound is actually tion has sound shn. Some people read it shan, and that is not the correct sound. It's shn. There is no vowel sound involved in reading tion. For example, we have completion, completion. Then examination, examination. We have separation. These are some words which have tion in the end, and we read it completion, examination, separation, and these are the sounds which come from these words which end in tion. And it is shun but not shun. There is no vowel sound involved, but there are some words which have different sound which are also tion in the end, but they have different sound. For example, we have suggestion. Then comes digestion. Then is followed by and the word is question. Here, all of these words have tion in the end, but we cannot read it suggestion, digestion, question. It is wrong pronunciation of these words which have tion in them. The actual pronunciation of the real pronunciation of suggestion, it is suggestion, it is digestion, it is question. And another important word is combustion, combustion. This also has tion in the last, and it is combustion, not combustion. These words have different sound of tion. It is chen. Here also no vowel sound involved, and it is chun. Suggestion, digestion, question, combustion. What is the role for this different sound in these words? These words have, look here, these words have s. When tion is preceded by s, when tion follows s in a word, its sound is not shun, it is chin. These words have s before tion, that's why their sound is chin, not shun. This is the role for the sound change in the last part, that is the tion part of the word, because this is preceded by s, and in other words it follows s in the whole sentence, a whole word. That's why it is chin, it is not shin. If you know some other words which have this sound or these spellings, and they have chin pronunciation in the last, please comment, write in the comment section. Thank you.